What are you doing today?
Getting our tree.
We're getting our tree today. I'm so excited. Alright, Rhodes. Let's get going. It is very cold and it is super windy. 3 miles in this weather can be really unpleasant.
Good morning. This is set for you.
Little. This morning, Anthony and I are going to try this plant-based superfood turmeric
Creamer.
creamer by Laird Superfood.
Laird Superfood Hamilton.
Laird Superfood Hamilton. A few months ago, I went to Malibu to do a podcast with Gabby Reese, Laird's like amazing wife, and they have this incredible plant-based line of like superfood, like coffee creamer type things, and they taste really delicious.
You want me to put some in yours?
Yes, please.
All
Put
right.
a teaspoon in mine.
I'll double it up. I like that.
Great.
I've got, you'll notice I have 2 espressos here.
An energy boost to your coffee, tea, smoothies, and food. So Gabby Reese is like a champion volleyball player. I can't even like describe what an intense lady she is.
She is a badass among badasses.
She is
no doubt.
truly like one of the most badass women I've ever met.
All right, let's give these a try.
How is it?
Good. Yeah, I can taste it for sure. It's nice. This is my favorite. Oh. Look how good you look. So vibrant.
Sunlight.
Even though you had fallen and broken your foot. It's not just the sunlight, babe. You were just added to the New York Times bestseller list. And you're glowing.
That is true.
Alright, let me cross some things off the list. Okay, should we set a time to go get the tree?
Okay, I have
lots to do, and
I have a meeting today from 2 to 3.
so right after.
Baby, can't you come with me? Can't you hold my hand and lead? 근데 있잖아 너라면 다를까 생각이 들어. 해볼까 말까 내 다리가 걸어 가는 방향이 어디는지 서로 궁금해져 버려. 애써 맘 졸여 하늘만 보면서 언제쯤 알게 될까. 너도 나와 같은 생각을 하고 있을까. 한참을 멍하니 보다 보니 살짝 어두워진 색깔 불그스름한 노을의 때깔. 상상만으로도 좋은 상상만으로도 힘든 이중적인 면을 가지고 있어. 사랑이라는 거. Oh yeah. Baby, can't you come with me?
I really didn't want to go on that run. It was only 3 miles, and honestly, it was because it was only 3 miles. That was the saving grace. The wind looked so uninviting, and it was just cold and gray, but as usual, I'm so glad that I did it, and now I'm going to enjoy my breakfast, which today, the meal planner is calling for avocado toast. I've never had avocado toast for breakfast before. I think of it more as a savory thing. So I'm really excited about doing avocado toast for breakfast. Garlic for breakfast, who cares? It's one of those huge seed avocados. This stuff that my friend Matt gave me, gold. Oh, so good. That garlic, man, so good. Man, this is so good. Let's try this. This is amazing.
What is it?
This is avocado toast. It's so good.
How was your run?
It was windy, very windy.
Did you run like to Fullerton?
I ran like the wind. Anyway, there's a cat. Oh my god.
A what? Oh, in the window.
You can't see it.
Dude.
Man, that was phenomenal. I gotta tell you, I never would have done avocado toast for breakfast had the meal planner not told me to try it. My breath smells like garlic. I don't mind. Luckily, none of you all actually have to smell me as I talk to you.
Babe, do you have 200?
I do not have any money. Where is he usually to help?
I don't know why I let him talk me into not tying it up. Oh, looks like it's standing by itself. Oh yeah, it looks pretty straight. I mean, it's got a battery.
Yeah. Rudy. Rudy boo.